Good morning. We're approaching the Åland Islands, as you can see on the ship tracker, and it is supposed to be a partly cloudy day. Good news. The Finnish Åland archipelago consists of about 6,500 islands, but just over 60 are inhabited. Charming Mariehamn is the world's smallest metropolis. It was founded in 1861 by Russia's Tsar Alexander II, who named the town, meaning Marie's harbor, after his wife. Mariehamn is a lively place, especially in summer, and the island receives up to 1.5 million visitors a year. They have wooden houses, green parks, restaurants, hotels, cafes, museums, and culture. But I think that's a different Viking line. It is. It's the Viking line. It goes between Sweden and Finland, Norway. I'm not sure about Norway. Jonathan, is this the line that you've been telling me about? I cannot believe how many wild swans I've seen. Look at this one. Oh, these have babies. Baby swans, little swanlets. And there's another ship from the Viking line. The Rosella. Town is a 10-minute walk from where we are docking, but they're also going to have one of those little tourist trains taking people back and forth if you so desire. Man, I'm not used to this totally sunny day. Good morning and welcome to Mariehamn. I mispronounce it every time I say it. I'm never sure if it's way Marie, or all I know is it was named after a Russian Tsar's wife. I canceled our excursion with the groups, and we're just going to walk around and enjoy this gorgeous little island. Come with us. A shopping experience as soon as we got off. That is great. You can see the four-masted schooner right here from the dock. What a contrast. Four-masted versus cruise ship. Four-masted versus cruise ship. Give me a cruise ship any day. I could never imagine climbing up there onto the masts. There are audio guides. We are on the weather deck, where you can eavesdrop between crew members if you're using it. But you hear those piggy sounds? That's because pigs were kept on board for food. In good weather, they were let out from their pen to trot around on deck. Go ahead, piggies, make some more noise. Those are the sounds I make when I'm eating dinner. Oink, oink. I think we should send Steve up into the rigging. This is where the ordinary seamen lived. The ship's kitchen. Well, I'm sure glad I did not have to cook. Good spot to dry your socks, though. The donkey boiler was used for carving cargo handling and for running the windlass and bilge pump. The 'tween deck is down there. The 'tween deck was used for cargo. Oils such as lamp oil, linseed oil, turpentine, and tar were kept here. The crew who did not participate in the watches lived here. For example, the boatswain, sailmaker, and carpenter, and donkey man, who is in charge of the steam engine, and ship's blacksmith. The ship always carried a double set of sails, 56 altogether. In the after castles, the captain's quarters, saloon, bathroom, cabins for 3 mates, steward, and passengers, officers' mess, pantry, and sick bay. I'm trying to get motivated to go up there. The captain even had a bathtub down below, but it's way too crowded right now. Lots of people. Well, I made it down the stairs. Cargo hold down there. Captain's quarters. Who even had a nice spacious bathtub. Okay. It's interesting the way they've got the ladders up on the roof. On the east coast of the U.S., these little areas were where you went up to watch for your captain or sailor to hopefully return safely from the seas. Sorry. And here's the main square, Torghatten Square. Okay, that's Nikola Sitkov console. It says, "This is the stone of Olin. Take it with you." Great little shop. Well, this pub tells you exactly what to expect. Cash only. You will never drink alone. And over here is the other side of this very small peninsula that we are on. I bet it's 6 blocks from one side to the other. This house is from 1882. $1876. They were very, very big houses. St. George's Cathedral. The church was completed in 1927 and donated to the town by ship owners August and Johanna Troberg. They succeeded in accumulating what was in those times a vast fortune. They also donated their home to the town. First it was a hospital, today a home for the elderly, and it's still operating. Shipping has always played an important role in Åland. I have a feeling all these cars are waiting to check in onto the ferry. They sure are waiting for the ferry. They just dropped the flag. I assume we're getting ready to sail away. And as we slowly sail away, tomorrow is Stockholm. We were last in Stockholm in winter 7 years ago. It's going to look a little different. Stockholm trivia. Viking Eric Bluetooth. This is where Bluetooth got his name, but instead of using devices to connect people, he connected people personally from different tribes and joined them all together. But honestly, that's where Bluetooth comes from. Because Stockholm was not involved in World War II, most of the buildings are still intact. One last sunset at 10:45 p.m.